Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account context and searching directly for app executables. Open Settings and verify the active user. Many disappearances are per account. Once done, press Win+S and type the app name to locate it, then right-click to open File Location. If the app appears in File Explorer but not Start, make sure it's not hidden by a folder redirection or group policy. These quick checks rule out account or search index issues before deeper fixes. Next, you repair or reinstall missing apps and validate system integrity. Open Apps and Features to repair first. If that fails, uninstall then reinstall from Microsoft Store or vendor installer. Then run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to rebuild the component store. Make sure Windows Update has installed recent fixes, because updates can restore broken app registration. If apps still fail, create a temporary new user to test whether the issue is profile-specific. Finally, recreate visible shortcuts and rebuild the search index so apps reappear. Locate the app exe in Explorer, right-click Create Shortcut to put a start or desktop link, then open Indexing Options, Advanced, and choose Rebuild so Start and search Reflect Changes. If apps remain missing, use System Restore to roll back to a point when they worked, or choose Reset this PC while keeping files as a last resort. Tip: if something breaks, use Safe Mode to perform removals and reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.